Hi, today we are building a backyard brick oven pizza oven, and we're starting from the ground up. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put a perimeter of chips and dust so that we have a nice level area to stack our bricks, because if you don't start off straight, it'll go all wonky. So let's start. Alrighty, so we have our chips and dust down. We're going to start with our first course of bricks. Now, we are actually building this over our existing fire pit in our backyard, so there may be some adjusting we have to do along the way. Normally you can do it just on another patio stone or bricks, wherever you don't want your ground to burn. So let's start. The one at the very back, you bring it out a little so that the hot air from the fire pit comes up through the back and then exits, so you have a air circulation in your top chamber. Now what we're putting on top is a 24 by 24 patio stone. So we've got the patio stone down. So now to start the next layer. Now we're ready for the final 24 by 24 to go on top. And there you go. DIY backyard pizza.
How many bricks do you need to do that?
Well, it's supposed to take 47. Somehow we have one left. And two 24 by 24 patio stones.
Hopefully that'll catch. It looks like it's going to go. What temperature do you got that in there?
Well, I had the gun on it, and it said it was about 966 degrees.
So it should cook pretty fast.
I don't think so. Well, I can hear it sizzling already.
It's not that hot in there yet, is it?
No.
All right. Maybe that oven's not hot enough yet, eh?
Okay, the pizza's been in there about 20 minutes, but the crust is definitely not brown on the bottom. I don't think our oven was hot enough when we started. I think I misread the temperature gauge. So we've taken the pizza out. It's looking nice and crispy on the top. She's brown on the bottom. So we're gonna cut her up and have a taste of it.
Now, how long did that pizza take to cook?
Oh, I don't know. 3/4 of an hour?
It should take about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get this fire raging, I guess.
Yes.
And we're probably gonna give it an hour or two before we try cooking the next one.
Yes.
All right.
Got a crispy crust.
That's good. Well, have a taste, Lucinda. How's it look?
Oh, it looks nice and airy on the inside.
Well, take a bite. Don't be afraid. Is it hot?
Yeah, it's real hot.
Okay, we'll wait a second.
Nice crispy crust. Dough's still nice and fluffy and airy on the inside. Tastes kind of like a frozen pizza, but it's probably because of the sauce we used. But otherwise, I think our next ones are going to be better. Okay, we're gonna try another pizza here. I checked the oven temperature and it was over 600, so this one should cook a lot quicker.
Looks like it's really puffing up this time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to cook a lot faster for sure.
Oh yeah, a big difference this time in cooking.
Huge. That's what it's supposed to cook like, I think.
Yes. Bottom's getting kind of that speckly.
Kind of that leopard look.
Yeah.
That's what you need, right?
Yeah. You can see the side of the crust is getting quite brown.
think that looks pretty much done, do you think, or what?
Yeah, she's looking pretty done.
What did that take? 1 or 2?
That took maybe 5-6 minutes, I would
I don't think it took that long. Well, I'll have to check it on the camera, but I think it took about 3 minutes. Let's go inside. Let's go and I got the pizza cutter here if you want to try it out.
Alrighty. Alrighty, let's cut this one open and see how it is. We got crunch.
Might be a little hot to take a bite.
I think it's a little hot to take a bite. The cheese is still quite gooey and runny. Pepperoni cupped.
It looks like a real brick oven pizza, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Well, okay, we'll take a bite of her.
Let's give this a little taste here. That tastes good.
Does it?
That tastes surprisingly good.
All right, well, I'm going to, we'll maybe make a few more and maybe we'll deliver some to our friends, and I will try to keep that spatula away from my knee that you keep getting closer. Awesome. Perfect. All right, so we've made some pizzas up. We got our official logo on here. We just got a couple more in the oven getting done, but there's what they look like. And we're going to run them down to the boys down at Bongos and see what they think. All right, so here we are. We're at Bongos Bongs. We brought the pizza down that Lucinda made in the brick oven she made in the backyard this morning.
Nice.
There's Joe,
Hi.
Morgan, Sean. All right, boys,
How about her?
have at her.
Oh, that looks delicious. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Now, if anybody's going to enjoy good pizza, it's got to be these guys at Bongos Bongs.
This is pizza. This is pizza.
It was made in brick oven.
Beautiful crust.
600 degrees.
Just like that one. Nice cooked crust.
That is good.
Yep.
All right. Well, these boys seem to like it.
These are good.
Boys, how was the pizza?
Very good.
Very good.
Would it,
Very, very good.
would it pass for restaurant pizza?
Absolutely. In a heartbeat.
I think it's better than pizza.
Yep. Yeah, that crust with that flavor to it. It wasn't pouring. The sauce was good. It was very well done. Very well done.
Excellent.
I'd order that again if I could.
Well, I guess we made it all right with that one.